We were just sent this smartwatch here, and we're gonna open it up, take a look at it, and see just what it's capable of. Alright, so we've already got all the plastic stuff off. Let's slide it open. First off, we've got this guy here. It's a warranty card. So there's a 1-year extended warranty plus 24/7 customer service. And that right there is a very big plus right off the bat. But here is the watch. And then right on here it says, before use, please charge the watch to activate it. So that being said, looks like a very nice screen. And we're gonna go and charge this watch really quick. But first I'm gonna show you guys how you charge this watch. All you have to do is line those up and it magnetizes to it, and then you plug it right in. Okay, so now it is all charged up, and right here it says scan to bind. So we're gonna scan that and we will be right back with you guys. But it also has a touch screen. Plus it also has haptic feedback, so that way it gives you a little vibration when you do click on something. But let's go through the menu. It's got phone here. So that's nice that it has all these features. Phone, activity data, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, workout records, alarm clock, stopwatch. One of my favorite features to have on a watch is a stopwatch. Works great also. But it also has the Find My Phone option, which always comes in handy. Whoops, wrong one. Well, it's got a calculator too. But that's not what we're trying to show you. Find My Phone. But so far, guys, my first impressions of this watch are pretty good. It's a good quality watch. It's got a lot of features to it. And honestly, for what it is, I give it 5 out of 5 stars. So if you guys are looking for a smartwatch and you're watching this video, one of these would be a great option.